Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change seats on Ryanair. So let's get into the video. So go to Ryanair website. So once you get to their website and then log into your Ryanair account. So once I've logged in with your credentials here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on My Bookings option here. Click on My Bookings, and then from My Bookings go to Manage Bookings, and here you will see all the flights that you have booked. Since I have not booked any, so it's nothing showing up, but you will see your flight here. Simply select the flight that you want to change the seats for. So select that, and then when you select it, you'll see an option called manage this booking. So simply click on manage this booking, and then it will take you to your screen where you will have the option to reschedule, to change the seats for this. Under manage booking, you will see changing the seats or rescheduling, all those information. So just click on change the seat and then follow the on-screen prompt, and you'll be able to change the seats. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty an easy process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.